video will guides you to check optical power in CEF card ports. To log into Tejas enodeB CEF card, user has to configure his laptop, desktop with the shown IP setting. After this, user has to open any web browser and open page with address http://192.168.1.254:20080. After this, following screen will appear where user has to input username as Tejas and password J72A number 05T and press submit. After successful login, following page will open where user has to go to inventory and click on node inventory. In the node inventory page, user has to select CEF card and then ports, where he has to search the port where optical power is to be measured. After selecting the required port, user have to click on the laser row to check the optical power. Here it will show the TX amp, RX power of the CEF card. In the next video we will learn to check the max of CEF card amp, RAC cards. Till then, bye bye.